What's up, beautiful people? My name's...
Your hand just went right in front of my face. Do you have to do that? Look, think about this how it goes. Look. Hello, beautiful puppy. How does that make you feel?
What's up, beautiful people? My name's Brittany.
And I'm Nikki.
And today we're gonna make a healthy snack called ants on the log.
My mom likes to call it bugs on a railroad track. So, she never heard of ants on a log before.
We're both trying to get healthy, and so Nikki gets off work at midnight, and lots of times we want to eat a little something while we watch a little something, and so this is one of those healthy snacks. Nikki, grab the celery. So first thing you need is celery. Second thing you need is peanut butter. Oh, ninja. Alright. Okay.
Enough of that. We're working up a sweat.
For the ants, you need raisins, but I don't like raisins, so I'm doing craisins, dried cranberries.
I'm on my tippy toes. I don't know why. Why am I doing that? I'm trying to appear taller.
Now for the ants.
Yeah.
Grab your craisins, raisins, or whatever.
So now we have ants on a log.
Oh, I'm flipped.
They're rolling. Yours looks like ants on a log. Mine looks like bugs on a railroad track.
Cheers. Cheers.
That water from that celery about got me. Obviously, she didn't tell me, but this was a race. I don't know if you see, I've got 3 left. She's on the last one. She's winning.
1 week ago, I did not like celery. I just went to grab for another one and it wasn't there.
Dance and smile. Like I get this hard face on. Can you dance and smile? So Tongue got stuck. Too much peanut butter. So everybody likes a good hot wing. Game day's coming up, football, here it is. Everybody loves football, right? We love football. We're a football family. Go Panthers. All the way. What is this? I don't know.
I love you, Panthers.
Little Panther ears. We love wings. We love hot sauce. We love ranch. And those are not on the diet plan. It's just not. So we've been using celery, and a great alternative is to get some celery, get your favorite hot sauce, ranch, blue cheese, whatever. You don't even have to have that, whatever you want to do. And just go to town. Just dip, crunch. You could use a buffalo.
I think I put a lot.
Even a barbecue.
Yeah, whatever. Just whatever kind of wing stuff you're craving. Put that sauce on it and...
Hear that crunch? It's going to be crispier than any hot wing you can find.
It's really good though. My mouth is on fire. One last thing with these celery sticks. My aunt made chicken salad today. And I didn't want to eat it on bread because I want to eat healthy. We had all the celery, so I thought it'd be really cool to eat it on celery. She makes the best chicken salad.
It is real good. Yeah, get me a bite.
And it's so good on the celery. I don't know. I don't know if this video was any help to you, but I hope you can try some celery. Remember, kids, eat your celery.
Gosh, that sounded hard.
Aggressive?
Yeah. B, aggressive. C, aggressive celery.
If you liked our video that was all about celery, then give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to our channel. I said subscribe. Subscribe to our channel.
Oh gosh. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
Also subscribe to our channel. And keep doing you.